Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Laravel Valet from Laravel step by step clearly. To begin the installation of Laravel Valet, ensure that you have a Mac and Homebrew installed. Open your terminal application, which you will use for the installation process. First, update Homebrew by running the command brew update. Once Homebrew is updated, install PHP by typing brew install PHP. After PHP is installed, you can install Composer by executing the command curl sshttps://getcomposer.org/installer php. To move Composer into your global bin directory, run mv composer.far/usr/local/bin/composer. Verify that Composer is installed correctly by typing Composer version. Next, you will want to install Laravel Valet itself. Use the command Composer global require Laravel/Valet to download and install Valet. After the installation completes, add Composer's global bin directory to your system's path. You can do this by adding the following line to your shell configuration file, like /bash_profile or /zshrc, export path equals $home/.composer/vendor/bin$path. Once added, remember to run source/bash_profile or source/.zshrc to apply the changes. Now, it's time to run Valet for the first time. Execute the command Valet install in your terminal. This will configure and install Valet services, including DNS mask and creating the necessary directories. After installation, you will see a confirmation message indicating that Valet is ready to use. To park your projects in Valet, navigate to the desired directory using the cd command. Then, run Valet park to register the directory with Valet. Next, create a new Laravel project in that directory if you haven't done so already. Use the command Laravel new project name to create your Laravel application. Once the project is created, you can access it through your browser using http://projectname.test. Valet handles the local domain for you, so no additional configuration is required. Finally, enjoy the rapid development capabilities that Laravel Valet offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.